We're going to replace our trunk-mounted taillight located on our exterior part of the trunk lid. The process for this is the same for the driver's side. With your hood open, you want to go ahead and identify the negative side of that battery. That's this one right here. Let's go ahead and use our 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen and disconnect the ground side. Slide that terminal off and set that aside. On the inside of our trunk lid, we want to go ahead and remove this cover right here. This 13 plastic clips. Going to use a trim tool. I want to go ahead and remove all of these clips. Pop our liner out. We have one right here in the center. Remove our trunk liner and set that aside. On the inside of the trunk lid, we're going to locate your tail light. It's going to be 3 10mm nuts. There's one right here, and there's 2 on the outboard side. Let's go ahead and loosen these. I'm going to go ahead and take the bulb connector, twist it counterclockwise, remove the bulb and socket. I'm going to go ahead and gently work the taillight out. Go ahead and take your taillight, line that up. Now we can go ahead and get the 3 nuts installed. I'm going to go ahead and get all 3 of these nuts started by hand. Go ahead and snug those down. Now you just want to snug these down by hand. When you feel it snug down, you're pretty much good. Once that bottoms out, you don't want to go too much further. Same on here. You're going to take your bulb. Go ahead and line that back up and twist that, lock it into place. Just going to line up our trunk lid liner here. We're going to reach up and pull our emergency handle through. I'm going to go ahead and install our center button here first. I'm going to continue installing the other 12 buttons all the way around the perimeter of the lid here. Take your ground terminal, line this up, and let's go ahead and snug down that nut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.